Today unboxing is on the latest Tomica Premium series for the month of Jan. They are the Nissan Skyline GT SR R31 and also the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera in regular and commemorative color release in red box. These are now available at our local departmental stores. Coming up is another Takara Tomy Mall Nissan Fair Lady Z, which has also just released. I will feature that in another video shortly. And now let's take a closer look at the Nissan Skyline GT SR. It comes in a standard premium box. You can see various angles of this Skyline on the outer box, and that's great. It comes in the scale of 1:62 with opening doors features on both sides. Wow, very nice. Looking really premium, true to its brand. I really like the dark blue body color, which is very close to black in gloss finish. It made this R31 looks very premium and very nostalgic. Lots of effort is put into the rear. You can see the plastic insert rear lights and also the very clear GTR logo and the Skyline logo type. Wheels itself looks very realistic, unlike the red box regular version, and it spins very fast. No suspension for this Skyline and the majority of the premium series. And for the front, it looks just as great as the rear. It looks very realistic with the clear headlights and also the Skyline on the car plate. Very happy to see opening door features on both sides for this R31 without compromising its realism, and overall this R31 is a great casting. I'm very happy that Tomica keep on expanding its nostalgic Skyline series that appears in the Heisei era. Next, the pair of Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera, very sleek Leggera illustration on the outer box. Wow, this casting looks great, especially in green, which is Lamborghini's signature color. The bright green body paint looks very stark and very impressive. You can see the Leggera logo type and also the Italian stripes on the door. It also looks very premium with pearl finish. Although I would very prefer this Superleggera comes with opening door, and that would be great. For the car, it looks very lightweight due to many carbon components for the actual car and looks very aggressive. Wheel set looks very realistic and spins very fast. Great job for the rear, highly detailed and looks very real. At an economical price point, Tomica has outdone itself by doing such a wonderful casting such as this Superleggera, and I believe this will be a highly popular model. Next, the Superleggera in commemorative color in orange. Equally impressive as the regular color, this comes in high gloss finish as well. Quality paint job and it looks very premium with pearl finish. I like it. Apart from the difference in body color, the specs are totally the same. Tons of details on the rear and also on the front, which made this Superleggera casting a must-have for every Lamborghini collector. Overall, I'm very happy with this pair of Superleggera. Although no opening parts, the casting looks very realistic and very premium. The Skyline and this awesome Superleggera pair is definitely great castings to start for the year of 2020. More Tomica Premium unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!